This conference will now be recorded.
So in today's session, we are going to discuss about email templates. So it's a prerequisite for the flows topic here. We'll see what exactly email template and what is the use. Why should we go for email templates in Salesforce and how to prepare our own email templates. Upon creating the email template, what are the various template types that we have in Salesforce? And how to make our email subject and the content static, how to make the email subject and content dynamic by using merge fields, and how can we use the merge fields to make the content dynamic, and how to make our email content look like attractive with the help of letterheads. So how can we configure the letterheads in Salesforce, and how can we use them in order to make the email content look like attractive, and how to use these email templates to send the email notifications to the required people with the required subject, with the required content to the required recipients. We'll see practically. Now, let's see. First of all, we have to understand what exactly an email template. Basically, email template is nothing but a draft. Email template is nothing but a draft or a template which contains the email subject and the email content, which we can use to send some notifications to the required people. So whenever if you want to send some email notifications to the people, whatever the email subject, whatever the email content you want to deliver to the people, that subject and the content we can prepare inside a draft. That draft is called as an email template. Simple concept here. In one word, we can say email template contains the email subject and the content which we can use to send the notifications to the people. That's it. Now, simple. Now, here you can raise the question, sir, in what scenarios we can use the help of these email templates? We have so many scenarios are available in the real world where we are using the help of these email notifications. Like, for example, assume that I have a bank account. In my bank account, I'm having some balance. Today, I'm depositing some money here. So once the money has been getting credited into your account, immediately you are getting some notifications, right? Yes. We are getting an email alert. We are getting an SMS alert, which indicates, dear customer, your account number ending with some 1234 has been credited with the amount from 4,000 rupees. This is your net available balance. So you are getting one email notification here with the required subject, with the required content, along with you are receiving one SMS alerts also. Next, for example, assume that today I'm reserving a movie ticket. A new movie has been released. Now I have observed that there is a good rating for the movie, so I want to watch the movie today. So whenever I'm reserving the movie ticket here, whenever we are reserving the movie ticket, immediately you are getting one email alert and then you will be getting one SMS alert regarding the email, the ticket confirmation. So it is indicating the ticket details, the ticket number also, seat number also, movie name, theater name, show timings also, everything will be indicating inside that email notification. So they're sending some notifications to the people, like the similar way. Today I'm reserving a travel ticket to travel from Hyderabad to some Vijayawada or Vizag or Bangalore, whatever. So once the ticket has been reserved, then immediately you are getting one email notification regarding your travel details, your seat number also, and the travel details also, bus number, contact number also, boarding point details, everything. So they are sending one email notification along with that sending one SMS notification also. Like the similar way. For example, today a customer has raised a case. Today, a customer has raised a case. Once the case has been registered successfully, immediately the customer will be receiving one email notification and an SMS notification. Dear customer, your case has been registered successfully. This is the case number. This is the case status. So one of the service person will contact you shortly. So it will be sending one email alert. It will be sending one SMS alert. Now, for example, today, some of the customers' birthday or some of the employees' birthday is there. Some of the customers are employees' birthday. On the occasion of his birthday, I would like to send one greeting card. I want to wish them. So in this case, here what we can do? Do we need to make a call to this each and every person? No. If you're having some two people or three people or 10 people, then we can make a call to each and every individual person. We can wish them on the occasion of his birthday. But if you're having some thousands of people, hundreds of people, or the millions of people at that time, we can't communicate with the people over the phone. It will be very difficult. For that reason, we are using the help of email alerts and SMS alerts also. That means what? We have so many scenarios are available in the real world where we are waiting for the confirmation through either emails or SMS alerts. In this case, now tell me who will send these email notifications? Hmm. Suppose I have deposited the money here or I have withdrawn the money. Whenever you are performing any bank transaction, it may be deposit, it may be withdraw, immediately you are getting one email alert. Now tell me who sends these email notifications to you? Bank employee? No, because the bank employees are not sending these notifications. This will be taken care by the system itself. System in the sense that banking application itself. That banking application will take care of sending this kind of notifications with the required subject, with the required content to the required recipients. In this case, whenever if you want to send some email notifications to the people, to communicate with the people on the occasion of the birthday also, or on the occasion of raising a case also, on the occasion of bank transactions also, reserving some movie tickets also, reserving some like some travel tickets also, making the payment of any utility bills also, anything in order to send some email notifications to the people, whatever the subject, whatever the content you want to deliver, we can prepare that subject and content okay inside a draft that is called as email template. Okay, so email template contains the email subject in the email content which you want to deliver to the required recipients. So we can prepare the subject and content once. The same template we can keep on repeatedly use to send the notifications to the required people as well. That facility is available as part of okay email templates. Now, in this case, you can raise the question, sir, in order to send the email notifications, do we need to install any servers? No. Generally, when you go to other programming like as Java, .NET, or it may be any other softwares, we don't have email facilities directly. If you want to send the email notification through Java programming or .NET programming or Oracle or any other programming language, we have to configure SMTP server. We have to configure SMTP server. SMTP server in the sense simple mail transmission protocol. Okay, SMTP stands for simple mail transmission protocol. So now we need to configure the SMTP server, and through this SMTP servers only we can send the emails, we can receive the emails. Without this SMTP servers, your emails cannot be sent, you can't receive any emails also from external email IDs. But in the other programming languages, we have to configure these SMTP servers, then only we can send and receive the emails. But in Salesforce, we no need to configure any SMTP servers. You no need to enable any settings. Email servers are ready-madely configured for you. Just you have to decide what subject you want to send, what content you want to send, to whom you want to send. That's it. So in this case here, we no need to configure any email settings inside your Salesforce R. Just we can specify the email subject and the content, which we can use to send the notifications to the required people with the required subject and content. So in this case, whenever if you want to communicate with the people, we are using the help of email templates. That's what here these are also called as communication templates. These email templates are also called as communication templates here. Now, because we are using these email templates to communicate with the required people. Why? Because is we can't communicate with the people over the phone. Because if I'm having some 5 people or 10 people's max, then we can communicate with the people over the phone. But if it is more number of people, it will be difficult for me to communicate them. For that reason, we are using the help of email notifications. So to send the email notifications, we are using the help of these email templates. Clear? Now, simple concept here. In one sentence, we can say email template is nothing but a draft. It's a ready-made template which contains email subject and the email content. That's it. To whom you want to send dynamically at runtime, we can decide. We can place the two email ID, we can send it over here. Okay, instead of preparing the subject and content on the spot, we can make it ready first. Then directly we can use them, we can send the notification through with the help of automated systems in Salesforce. Now, as part of these email templates, we have two types of email templates are available in Salesforce. You know, same story again. Standard, custom, right? As part of these email templates, we have two types of email templates are available in Salesforce. First one, standard email templates. Second one, custom email templates. What do you mean by standard email template? Ready-made templates. Okay, ready-made templates. Standard email templates are nothing but the ready-made email templates which has been given by Salesforce with the required subject and the content, which are utilizing by the Salesforce CRM application. Because these templates are required inside your Salesforce CRM application, it has been referenced inside your CRM features. So that to send the email notification to the people, Salesforce has given some set of ready-made email templates which are called as standard email templates. Now, so whatever the standard email templates that we have, we can customize them. According to our business requirement, we can customize those standard email templates. If the template is not using in any place, we can remove that standard email template also from your organization. So whatever the standard email template that we have, we can remove them from your organization also. Generally, as of now, what we have discussed, standard features can be customizable but not removable. But email templates can be customizable also, removable also, both. The standard email templates can be customizable, removable also. But in some cases, what are the standard email templates given by Salesforce, if these are not sufficient? If you want some more additional email templates according to your business requirement, regarding your banking application, finance application, insurance application, pharmaceutical application, if you want some more additional email templates that we can create. Based on our business requirement, we can create our own custom email templates also. So the developer or the administrator can create their own custom email templates also. Then how many? N number of, no limitations. Okay, there is no limitations for the number of email templates. As part of your org, we can create n number of custom email templates also. Now, then where all these email templates will get resides? Whatever the email templates that we have, it may be standard, it may be custom, all the email templates will get resides inside an object called as email template object. Email template is a standard object in Salesforce which contains all your email templates. Like our lead records are there inside your lead object. Account records are available in account object. Case records are available in case object. Like the similar way, email templates information is available in email template object. Email template is the standard object in Salesforce which contains all the email templates which has been given by Salesforce and which has been created by you also. Both the standard and the custom email templates will get resides inside email template object as well. Okay, clear up to this one? Now, make a note of this one. Email templates. Email templates are nothing but email template is nothing but a draft or template which contains email subject and email content which can be delivered to the required recipients, which can be delivered to the required recipients. By using email templates, we can communicate with the people. We can communicate with the people. For example, we can communicate with our customers also, partners also, employees also, or end users also. Anybody, to whomever you want, we can communicate with them. For example, during bank transactions, during reserving movie or travel tickets, on the occasion of birthday or festival seasons, etc. Now, Salesforce provides two types of email templates. Salesforce provides two types of email templates. First one, standard email templates. Second one, custom email templates. Standard means what? These are the ready-made templates provided by Salesforce by default as part of Salesforce CRM application. Now, we can customize or remove the standard email templates. We can customize or remove the standard email templates. The Salesforce developer or administrator can create the custom email templates based on the need. Based on the need. With the required subject and content. Note. All the email templates information will get resides inside the email template object. So email template is a standard object in Salesforce which contains all the email templates information, including standard, including custom, both. Done with this? Now. So now in this case, whenever we are creating these email templates, each email template should be get resides inside a folder. Upon creating an email template, each email template should be get resides inside a folder, like as your reports concept. In the previous session, we have discussed upon creating a report, every report should be get resides inside a report folder. Like the similar way, while creating the email template, each email template should be get stored inside a folder. Those are called as email template folders. In order to store these email templates, Salesforce is providing this a folder concept here. Now, here why Salesforce has given this folder concept over here? Now let's see. For example, as part of my business, I'm having a banking application. We are having a finance application. We have an insurance application. We have a sales application. We have a service application. We have like as we are having a HR application. The various applications are available here. In each application, I'm using some email templates to send the email notification regarding the bank transaction. Like whenever a new account has been opened, whenever he deposited the money, whenever he withdrew the money, whenever he applied for the loan, whenever the loan is sanctioned, whenever the loan is approved, whenever the loan is rejected, in all these cases, we are sending the notification to the people. So now to send those email notifications, we have prepared so many email templates. As part of my finance organization, we are sending some email notifications over here. So we have prepared all these email templates. As part of insurance application, we have prepared so many templates to notify to the people. For sales application also, we are having this multiple email templates. To send the notification regarding the service, multiple. Regarding the HR, multiple email templates we have prepared. If I'm storing all these email templates inside a single folder, then how can we recognize? Okay, how can you recognize which email template is using in which application? How can you differentiate this one? So for this banking application, these are the email templates are associated. For sales application, these are the email templates. Then how can we differentiate that? Do we have any chance over here? No, we don't have any chance. In this case, here Salesforce has introduced the folder concept. Like all the banking related email templates, we can store inside a separate folder. In the finance related email templates, we can store in a separate folder. Insurance related email templates in a separate folder. Sales related email templates in a separate folder. Like that, for each and every application, for each and every module, for each and every department, for each and every division, you can create your own folders also. Depends upon your application requirement, we can maintain separate folders over here. Inside that folder, we can store your respective email templates. Okay, understood the concept here? Nobody is responding. Now let me explain. For example, here, let me explain a small general scenario. Assume that today I have collected so many audio songs information from my friend. He's having a very good audio collections are available here. So I would like to listen those audio songs also. So I have collected all the audio songs information from my friend. I'm storing those audio songs information inside my system. In my system, I'm having multiple drives are available here. Like I'm having a C drive, D drive, and the E drive. These are the three drives are available inside my hard disk. Now this is C drive I have reserved for operating system and other software installations. I'm not storing anything inside that. D drive I'm using for my office purpose. And the E drive I'm using for my personal use. So whatever the personal information, documents, movies, audios, files, everything I'm storing inside this. Now I'm using it for personal folder. So now in this case, inside the E drive, what I will do, I will place all the audio songs information. No, I will create a separate folder here. I'm creating a folder called as some songs. I'm creating a songs folder. In this songs folder, I'm creating three more folders again here. I'm creating three more folders, like some Telugu songs, Hindi songs, and English songs. I'm creating three separate folders over here. In Hindi songs, I'm creating two more folders again here. One is old songs, second one new songs. Okay, two folders I'm creating again. In this new folder, I'm creating a folder with the name of the movie here, like as a movie one. Inside this folder, I'm placing this movie related songs information. I'm creating that one more folder with the name of this movie, like as movie two. I'm placing that movie related songs over here. I'm creating another folder with the name of this movie, like as a movie three. I'm placing that movie related songs here. That means we are arranging the data in a separate folders. Why? For our convenience. for our convenience. Why? Because, for example, today I want to play some this so and so movie songs. In this case, what we can do, directly we can go to the movie folder. I will select all the songs information. I will play by using any one of the media player. It may be MX player also, VLC player also, whatever, anything we can play directly. Okay, that's what here we are going to be arranging this folders information into small subfolders also. Like the similar way, whatever the email templates that we're creating, we can distribute these email templates to various separate folders. Like all the banking related email templates into separate folder, finance templates into separate folders, and then like as insurance email templates into separate folder, sales related email templates separate folder, service related templates separate. Like that we can create multiple folders also. In each folder we can store that respective application related email templates. So it will be very easy for me to identify as part of this, okay, banking application, these are the various email templates we are using. In sales application, these are the email templates we are using. So it will be very easy for us to identify. Okay, so according to our convenience, we are going to be having our own folder structure. So in this case, as part of this email template, each email template should be get resides inside a email template folder. As part of this email template folders, we have two types. Again, same story. Okay, you know that. Now, as part of this email template folders, we have two types of folders. First one, standard folders. Second one, custom folders. Okay, standard folders, custom folders. What do you mean by standard folders? Ready-made folders which has been given by Salesforce by default. Custom folders in the sense which we have created. According to our business requirement, we can create our own folders also, like as a banking folder, or the finance folder, insurance folder, loans folder, or it may be any other sales folder. Like that, we can create multiple folders also. Depends upon your requirement, we can create your own custom folders also. So we have two types of, okay, email template folders in Salesforce. Standard email template folders, custom email templates folder. These are the two types. Now, here you can raise a question. Sir, what standard email template folder Salesforce has given to you by default? Salesforce has given two ready-made standard email template folders. First one, unfiled public classic email templates folder. Second one, my personal email templates folder. These are the two. First one, my, okay, unfiled public classic email templates folder. Okay, unfiled public classic email templates folder. Second one, my personal email templates folder. These are the two ready-made folders given by Salesforce. Then what is the difference between these two folders? Now let me explain. If it is unfiled public classic email template folder means what? It's a public folder. Okay, it's a public folder which will be accessible by all the users inside the organization. In my organization, whatever the users are available, everybody can access. That means it's an anonymous access. It will be applicable to all the users over here. So whatever the email templates that I have stored inside this unfiled public classic email templates folder, this email templates can be accessible by any user inside my organization. So it's a public folder. Second one, my personal email templates folder. This is my personal, that means private folder, which can be accessible only by the email template owner. Only the owner of the email template can access that template. Other people can't access it over here. These are the two standard email template folders are available in Salesforce here. Okay. Along with these two, we can create our own custom email templates also. Depends upon our application requirement. Based on our business requirement, we can create our own email templates or folders also. Okay. Clear? Understood the concept now? Now, let's see. Make a note of this one. Each email template should get resides inside an email template folder. Each email template should get resides inside an email template folder. Salesforce provides the below two types of folders. Salesforce provides the below two types of email template folders. First one, standard email template folders. Second one, custom email template folders. Standard means what? These are ready-made. These are the ready-made email template folders. Provided by Salesforce by default. Now, we have the below two standard folders. First one, unfiled public classic email templates folder. It is a public folder which can be accessible by all the users inside the organization. That means whatever the email templates you have placed inside this folder, these email templates can be accessible by every user inside the organization. Second one, my personal email templates folder. Now, it is a restricted folder which can be accessible by only the email template owner. Email template owner is the standard. The Salesforce developer or administrator can create their own folders based on the application or the module or division, etc. For example, banking templates folder, loans template folder, finance templates folder, like that, etc. So by default, Salesforce is providing two folders, and according to the business requirement, we can create our own custom folders also based on the business needs. Done? Done with this? Now, let me show you practically where exactly this email templates and the folders information is available. What is the navigation? Let me show you. Click on Setup menu, search for the option Classic Email Templates. In Quick Find box, click on New Template button. Create the new templates. So create the new templates. So this is the navigation we used to follow in order to create a new email template over there. If you want to see the existing email template also, we have to follow the same. Done with the navigation?
Yes,
Same
sir.
template. The same template, once we are creating the email template, the same we can use in both Classic and Lightning also both. So here we'll see how to create in Classic. Okay, in Flow's topic, I will show you how to create in Lightning experience, both. Lightning email templates, Classic email templates. Navigations are completely different. Okay. Done with this? Now, let's see. I'm going to my Salesforce org now. So let's go to the setup menu in the left panel. Search for the option Classic Email Templates. Select that option called as Classic Email Templates. Now here it is indicating the email templates. These are the various email templates given by Salesforce by default. Now if you want to see some more, just you can click on more button. So we can see all these email templates. These are the various email templates which has been given by Salesforce. We haven't created these email templates as of now. These are already given by Salesforce. These are the ready-made. Suppose if these email templates are useful to you as part of the application, we can use them. If these are required some little bit changes, we can make the customizations over here by using this edit button. Suppose if these ready-made email templates are not at all useful, we can remove them from your Salesforce org by using this delete option. So even though these are standard email templates, we can customize, we can remove them also from your Salesforce org if there are no longer referenced in anywhere inside your CRM applications. Now, if these email templates are not sufficient, if you want to create some more, click on New Template button and we can create your own additional email templates also. How to create, we'll see practically. Clear up to this one? Next. Now in this case, how can we see the folders? Where exactly the folders concept over here? Here it is indicating the folder option. We have a folder option is available here. Now it is indicating that ready-made folders. These are the two ready-made folders are available inside your Salesforce R, like unfiled public classic email templates folder. Second one, my personal email templates folder. These are the two ready-made folders given by Salesforce. If you want to see what templates are available in the first folder, what templates are available in second folder, just you can select the folder names here itself. No buttons available over here. Just you can select this. Whenever I'm selecting this my personal email templates folder, it will list out what templates are available. Do we have any templates over here? No. This folder is empty. Now nothing is available. So now here I'm selecting the first one. It's a public folder. Now it is populating those email templates. These are all are the various templates available inside this folder, unfiled public classic email templates folder. These are the two ready-made folders given by Salesforce. But in some cases, these folders are not sufficient for me. I want some more. Then how can we create our own folders? Now let's see. Here I'm having this option create new folder button. Click on create new folder link and then you can create your own folder also. Click on create new folder link. Now it is providing a user interface to specify the folder details here. I'm indicating as Tesla sales templates folder. Okay, Tesla sales templates folder. Now the public folder access is I'm indicating as read only. Other people can able to see my folder, but they can't customize my folder. So these are the ready-made email templates are available inside my organization as of now. From these email templates, if any of the email templates you want to place inside this folder, we can move them. That facility is available. You can copy some of these email templates from your public folder to your custom folder also depends upon your requirement here. Now, along with that, we can specify to whom this folder will be getting visible. I want to make this folder is visible to all the users inside my Salesforce org. Now click on Save button. Now, I'm creating one more folder. Click on Create New Folder, like as Banking Templates folder. Now I want to make it visible to all the people here. Click on Save. So that we can see whatever the folders are available, including standard, including custom, both we can see. The first two are the standard, remaining two we have created by our own. Whenever I'm selecting this folder, it is indicating empty because in this folder nothing is available as of now because we haven't placed any email templates till now. So these folders are empty right now over here. If you want to see that public folder, just you can select public folder. It will populate the email templates available inside your Salesforce. Clear? Understood the concept now? How to create the email template folder? Now, folder concept is applicable for three features. One is for email templates. Second one is for reports. Third one is for dashboards. Okay, every email template should reside inside a folder. Every report should get resides inside a folder. Every dashboard should reside inside a folder, but the remaining features we don't have any folder concept here. Only for these three features, for email templates and for the reports, for the dashboards, we are having folders concept. For the rest of the features, we don't have any folder concept over there. Okay, clear? Now, understood the concept till now? Next. So now here in this case, whenever we are creating your own email templates, because by default Salesforce has given some set of ready-made email templates, but those are not sufficient. I want my own. I want my own email templates here. Then how can we create our own email templates? Whenever if you want to create your own email templates, what we can do? While creating your own custom email templates, as part of these templates, we have four types. We have four types. We have four types of email templates are available in Salesforce. First one, plain text type of template. This is also called a simply text type of template. Second one, HTML by using letterhead. Okay, second one, HTML by using letterhead. Third one, custom without using letterhead. Okay, custom without using letterhead. Fourth one, visual force. Okay, visual force template. These are the four types of templates are available. Plain text type of template, HTML template with a letterhead, custom template without any letterhead, fourth one, visual force. These are the four types of email templates that we can create in Salesforce. But as part of this, we'll see how to create the first three. Visual Force email template is part of development. In Visual Force programming, we'll see that part over here. Okay, remaining three we'll see as part of this email template session. Okay, now let's make a note of this one. While creating custom email templates, we have the below four types of email templates. First one, plain text or simply text type of template. Second one, HTML by using letterhead. Third one, custom without using letterhead. Fourth one, Visual Force template. These are the four types of email templates are available in Salesforce. Done? Now, let's see. So these are the four types. Plain text type and HTML type, custom type, Visual Force type. These are the four types of templates are available here in Salesforce. Now, let's see the first type that is called as plain text type or simply text type of template. Now tell me, what do you mean by this a plain text or simply text type of template? What did you understood with this word plain text or simply text type of template? Mhm. Plain text content, okay? Hmm. Now, let's see. So let me show you that. For example, I'm logging into my Gmail account here. So I'm logging into my Gmail account now. Now, let's see. So let me check for an email over here. Now, let's see. For example, here, I have received a bank transaction alert. I did some transaction by using my credit card over here. So regarding the credit card, I have received one transaction over here. I'm receiving one email notification from Kotak Bank. So I have purchased some items over here from one of the shopping mall here. So immediately they have sent one email notification to me with the banking system by default. They're indicating that, dear customer, a transaction of so and so rupees has been done on your credit card over here in so and so date. The available credit card limit is getting visible over here. So now here it is indicating the content. Now tell me how the content look like here, like as a plain text format or not?
Yeah,
Yes.
it's a plain
Do we
text.
have any images here?
No,
Pictures,
no.
animations,
No,
fonts,
no,
styles, nothing.
no.
Purely plain text format here.
Simple
That
text.
means what? Whatever the content they have delivered to me, this content is purely like as a plain text format of content over here. Now, if you want to send the email notification to the people like this, if you want to send the email notification like this, like as a pure plain text format of content with a white background with a black text, then we have to choose the email template type as plain text. Okay, so plain text type of email template is used to send the email notification to the required people with the plain text format of content, because email subject will be always plain text only here, but the content we can make it look like attractive by adding some images also, pictures also. So but now whenever if you want to deliver some email content in the form of plain text format, then we can use the help of this plain text format. But we don't have any attractive look and feel. No pictures, no images, no hyperlinks, no color, no font, no style, no size, nothing. It's purely a plain text kind of thing. It's purely like as a normal notepad, white background, black text. That's it. Okay. So at that time, we can go with the help of this plain text kind of email templates here. Clear? Understood the concept now? Next. Now make a note of this one. In this approach, we can send the email alerts to the required users with the required subject and content in the form of a plain text format. That is, it won't provide any attractive look and feel for your email content. It looks like as a normal notepad. It looks like as normal notepad content.
Done, sir.
Done, everyone? Now, so let's see how can we prepare plain text kind of email templates. How can we test it? Okay, we'll see with the practical use case. Here I will show you two scenarios. First one, How to make the email subject and the content static? How can we make the email subject and the content static? In second scenario, I will show you okay how to make the email subject and content dynamic here. Okay, dynamic. Like, for example, come to this scenario. So here I have received this email notification from the banking system here. So I made some transaction of almost 5,000 rupees here. Now tell me, every time I will make the purchase of only this much of amount here? No. So now next time I will buy the item of some 100 rupees also, 1,000 also, 10,000 also, whatever, anything. So it will be keep on changing here. So I want to make this value dynamic. Next. And then this is my card number here. Now tell me here, for everybody here, for all the credit card people of for this Kotak Bank, the credit card number will be ending with the same? No, it will
No.
be keep on changing. So this content will be different. Next, the location where exactly did some transaction here. This will be keep on changing automatically here. Next, the date of transaction here. This is also will be changing automatically here. And the available limit also will be changing automatically over here. This rest of this content will be same, no change. For all the people, same content will be delivered. But some content will be keep on changing. Depends upon the amount which we have used to make the transaction, it will be indicating the date and time also, the location where exactly you did the transaction, what is the available credit limit also, it will be keep on changing over. So now here in this case, how to make this value should be getting changed. This is the second scenario. In second scenario, will show you how can we make the content dynamic. I don't want to specify the fixed subject, fixed content always. I want to send some content dynamic and subject also dynamic. How to make this? Okay, we'll see practically also here. Okay, two scenarios we'll see. In the first scenario, I will show you how to make that email subject and the content static. In the second scenario here, I will show you exactly the similar kind of content will deliver here. For that one, we are using the help of a feature called as merge fields. We have to use the help of a feature called as merge fields. These are also called as binding variables. These are also called as binding variables. Now, so how to use this merge fields as the binding variables? Okay, we'll see in second scenario here. Okay, it's very simple concept here. This merge field syntax is very important because in the entire Visual Force, in the entire Lightning framework, in Aura components and Lightning Web components, we are using same merge field syntax. Okay, so its syntax will be very useful, which is very easy also. Okay, now let's see. How can we prepare this email template over here? Now, let me explain. So now let me give the navigation first, okay, how to prepare the email template. And then I will show you how can we okay, prepare the subject and the content. And then how can we test the email template also, whether it is working properly or not. Okay, now. So let's take a small use case. First of all, let me prepare the email template here. Then I will show you the navigation part. Now my requirement is, okay, now my requirement is today a customer has visited my organization, he purchased some products. Okay, today a customer has visited my organization, he purchased some products here. Now, once he has purchased the products, then I'm collecting the customer's data, I'm storing inside my organization. That means inside my application, I have stored this data over here. So now after entering the data inside the form, when I click on save button, a new customer record will be getting created. Immediately, I want to send one email notification to the people here. I want to send one email notification to the customer's email ID here to give some confirmation. Dear customer, thanks for purchasing the products from our organization. From today onwards, you are a very valuable customer to us. So now we have created your record inside our database, okay, for the future reference. I want to give some confirmation over here. Okay, now, then how can we prepare that email template? Now let me explain. What subject you want to deliver, what content you want to deliver. Okay, now let's see first. Then I will show you the navigation of email template creation. Okay, now take a use case. Configure a plain text type of email template to notify the customer upon creating a new customer record. Upon creating a new customer record, I want to notify to the customer. I want to send one email notification. But SMS facility is not available in Salesforce. Email facility is available. If you want to send the SMS notification, you have to go for integration. Through integration, we can interact with the telecommunication systems. That means SMS gateways, and we can send the SMS notification also. But inbuilt SMS facility is not available in Salesforce. Okay, email facility is available, SMS facility is not available here. Now, what will be the email subject? I'm indicating the email subject like as congratulations, your customer record has been created successfully. The email subject will be congratulations, your customer record has been created successfully. In the email content, what exactly the email content you want to deliver? I'm indicating that, dear customer, thanks for purchasing the products from our organization. We are pleased to inform you that your customer record has been stored in our database for the future reference. For the future reference. Now, from today onwards, you are a very valuable customer to our organization. Now, please contact on the below address if any queries. It is indicating this. This is a system generated email, so please do not reply. Thanks and regards. Thanks and regards. Sales team, Dell Incorporation. Email us sales@dell.com. Contact us +1 800 787 2233 and visit us http www.dell.com. Now, they're indicating the email notification like this. So I want to send this email content. Okay. So dear customer, thanks for purchasing the products from our organization. We are pleased to inform you that your customer record has been stored in our database for the future reference. From today onwards, okay, you are a very valuable customer to our organization. If you need any further confirmation, if you need any details, please contact on the below address if any queries. and then we are indicating the details. Now this is a system generated email, so please don't give the reply back to this email. Please contact on this below email address or contact number also here. Done. So this is the email subject and the content. Now with this subject and the content, how to create our own email template. Now let's see the navigation part. Creating email template. Click on setup menu. Search for the option classic email templates. Click on new template button. Select the email template type as text. Click on next button. Select the folder name from pick list in which the email template should get resides. Select the checkbox available for use. Enter the email template subject and the description. Enter the email content and click on save button. This is the navigation to create the email template here. Now, how to test? Testing the template. Open the email template to be get tested. Click on send it test and verify major fields button. Enter the email address inside the text box. Select the checkbox email preview to and click on OK button. The observation is it will send the email notification to the specified email ID. With the specified subject and content. Done with the navigation?
Done, sir.
Can I go ahead? Now, let's see. So let's see how can we create the email template and how can we test it. Now let me show you. So I'm ready with the email subject. What subject you want to deliver? What content you want to deliver to the people? Okay, we are ready with that subject and the content. Now I want to create an email template. Just go to your Salesforce org, go to the classic email templates, click on new template button. Now it is asking you to select the template type. What type of template you want to create? Is it a plain text type of template or HTML by using letterhead or custom without using letterhead or visual force? These are the four types. Now initially we'll start with text type of template. Click on next. Now specify the email template details. Select the folder name. Whatever the folders are available inside your org, all the folder names will be getting populated over here. From these folders, in which folder you want to store your email template, that you can select. Now I want to make my email template to be visible to all the users, so that I'm placing inside this public folder. Select the checkbox available for use. So this checkbox is very, very important. If this checkbox is selected, then only we can use this email template to send the notifications to the people. Suppose if the checkbox is not selected, then Salesforce is treating this email template is a deprecated one. Deprecating means what? Outdated one here. So this email template can't be used by the people while sending the email notifications. So like a simply we can indicate like as a switch, active, inactive, on or off, like the similar way here to indicate whether this email template is okay useful. That means we can use or not. To decide that we are having this available for use checkbox. Now I want to make it okay available to the people to send the notifications. Specify the email template name. Now here I'm indicating this. Now new customer record notification template. I'm indicating new customer record creation notification template. That means whenever a new customer record has been created, then I want to send this email notification. For that one, I'm preparing this template. That's what I have given this name. The unique name will be preparing with Salesforce. Description also I'm giving the same here. Okay, whatever the name that I have given for the template, same name I'm giving like as a description. Now specify the email subject, email body. That means email content. So what subject and what content you want to deliver, that we can specify. Already I'm ready with the subject and the content. Copy the subject, place inside the subject field, copy the email content. This is the email content I'm placing inside this text area. Now do the required alignments. I would like to make it some alignments over here. Now I'm done with the alignments here. Whatever the email subject and the content you want to use, specify the subject and the content, and then do the required alignments over here. But here we don't have any formatting options, like us to apply the colors, font, style, images, nothing, purely plain text, white background, black text. Now, click on save button. Now my email template is ready. So this is the email template which we have created right now over here. Now this is the subject which we have given over here. This is the content which we have specified. So my email template is ready with the required subject and the content. Clear? Understood the concept now? Next. Now, once the template is ready, now I want to test it. Whether this template is okay working properly or not. Whether it is delivering the whole content and the subject to the required recipients properly or not, I would like to check it out. For that one, I want to test this email template. How can we test? Just we can open the email template. Like for example, I'm coming from the scratch. Let's go to the classic email templates. What is the template we have prepared? This is the template. New customer record creation notification template. Click on the template name. Template will be getting open. When you come down, you will be having a button called as send a test and verify merge fields button. Send a test and verify merge fields button. That means this is only for testing purpose. We are not using this option to send the emails. We want to send the emails automatically. For that one, we are using automation tools in tomorrow's session here. Okay, but only to test the email template whether it is working properly or not, we are using this testing button here. Click on send a test and verify merge fields button. Now it is providing a dialog box over here. It is providing a dialog box. In this dialog box, select the checkbox over here. Send the email preview to. Please send the email notification copy to which email ID? This is my email ID here. Okay, please send a copy of this email notification to my email ID so that I want to see and I would like to check how this email template has been delivered. Whether the whole content has been delivered or some of the content is missing, I would like to test. For that reason, only for the testing purpose, we are using this send a test and verify merge fields button. But here we can specify only one email ID, not multiple here. But while doing the automation rule, then we can specify multiple email IDs to whom you want to send the notification copy. Okay. But here upon testing, only one email ID we can specify inside that, not multiple. Now click on OK button. Once you click on OK, an email notification will be getting sent. Let's see. I'm going back to my email here. Now let me check whether I have received this email notification or not. I have received this email notification now. So now it is indicating training batch user because I have received the email notification from this user account. Because for my Salesforce R, who is the user now here? Training batch user. So it is indicating the training batch user. From this user, we have received the email notification. This is the subject. So whatever the subject and whatever the content we have specified, the subject and content has been placed over here. This is the subject here and this is the content. Whatever the content that we have specified, the whole content has been getting delivered to the required people. Clear? This is how we can prepare an email notification template with the static subject, static content here. Okay, understood the concept? Content is not dynamic, it's always static. Suppose if I'm using this email template to send the notification to 100 people, for all the 100 people, same subject, same content will be getting delivered. But I don't want to send the same subject and content to all the people. I want to make it different. For that one, we are using the help of a feature called as merge fields. Through merge fields, we can make that content dynamic. How to do that? Okay, we'll see in tomorrow's session here. Okay, in tomorrow's session, we'll see how can we make this email content dynamic here. Clear? Understood the concept now? Now. Tomorrow evening, we have the session as usual. Tomorrow morning at 9:30, we'll be having the session. Okay, automation rules. There I'm going to be discussing about what is workflow, what is process builder, what is flow. Okay, the difference between these features. Okay, clear now? So tomorrow also and that Sunday also we have the session as usual, morning at 9:30. Okay, tomorrow we have the two sessions, morning 9:30 to 11:30 or 12 we are having one session, evening 5 to 7 normal. Okay, as usual.
Sir, link for
So
9:30
please
to
make
12
available
o'clock.
here. Now,
Sir,
regarding that morning, flow session, I will share a meeting link inside the WhatsApp group also today, so that you can able to
yes.
use that. Okay, we are
Yeah,
having
thank you.
classroom session also as usual. Thank you.